Derek O'Brien has just taken to Twitter and has sought an appointment for a meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah. The tweet reads, and I quote, "Mr. Home Minister, sir, brutal attack on the All India Trinamool Congress official, even members of media clobbered in Tripura, unprecedented attacks, arrests on trumped-up charges," unquote. So that is TMC MP Derek O'Brien now seeking an appointment for a meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Remember, TMC MPs have already decided that they will be sitting on dharna in the national capital over the alleged police brutality in Tripura. Bhaskar is joining us on the phone line from Republic Bangla, who's reporting on that story very closely and in a detailed manner. Bhaskar, good morning to you. What more can you tell us about the TMC's plans for the day in the national capital? A tweet coming in from Derek O'Brien.
They are taking appointment with the Union Home Minister. On the other hand, Abhishek Banerjee
We'll reconnect with our colleague in just a bit who's reporting on that story from Republic Bangla. But let me bring in Sumi back into the conversation. Sumi, now they've sought an appointment. The TMC has sought an appointment from Union Home Minister Amit Shah. That's a tweet that has been put out by TMC MP Derek O'Brien. And I believe several members of the TMC will be in the national capital as well to stage that dharna. What more are you picking up as far as the TMC's plans are concerned today?
Yes, absolutely. 15 TMC MPs have landed in the national capital yesterday and they are planning to visit the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. However, nothing has been confirmed yet as they are still waiting for a response from Amit Shah's residence. And in fact, they have been seeking this appointment for quite some time. And the center stage of the discussion with the Union Home Minister of the 15 MPs will certainly be the Tripura violence that is taking the focal point in the state of Assam. And in fact, in the state of Tripura. And in fact, it is going to be a very significant meeting, and after this meeting will be held with the 15 MPs of the Union Home Minister. They are also likely to stage a protest in the national capital just to bring in and highlight the violence that is getting erupted in, and it is about the police brutality. And in fact, one of the
TMC... Dola Sen, TMC MP is joining us on the phone line. Madam, what do you have to say about the TMC's plans today? We're putting out details of the tweet that has been taken to Twitter by Mr. Derek O'Brien, but the TMC will be staging a dharna. You're a part of that delegation. What's going on?
Nothing. Ball is in their court. Honorable Union Home Minister are going to give an appointment but not yet have given it. We are trying for yesterday afternoon, we are trying for his appointment. Hopefully, by today morning, he will give us the appointment. If he gives us, then we will meet him and protest. Because Supreme Court has given us the permission. Supreme Court has given the verdict that every political party, even opposition, has a right to do their political activities in Tripura. Still, we are being harassed, we are being tortured, we are being beaten, etc. So we are seeking the appointment of Honorable Union Home Minister. And if he does not give us the appointment, then we have to...
Well, Ms. Sen, we've seen how, the ruckus essentially broke out after TMC youth president Sayoni Ghosh was arrested by the Tripura police, but the police is saying that she's been arrested based on preliminary evidence. Now, where the story heads remains to be seen. For the moment, that tweet coming in from Derek O'Brien. Thank you, Ms. Sen, for speaking to us on that story.